This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Withings thermometer. First, carefully unbox your device and insert the 2 AAA batteries provided. Next, download the free Withings HealthMate app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing Withings credentials. This initial step ensures your thermometer can connect seamlessly. Now let's pair your thermometer. In the HealthMate app, navigate to Devices and select Install a device. From the list, choose Thermom to begin the pairing process. The app will then guide you through connecting your thermometer via Bluetooth. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for a smooth connection. This step links your device to your profile, allowing for accurate data tracking. Taking a reading is simple. Press the button on the thermometer to activate it. Then, gently swipe the device across your forehead from temple to temple, ensuring good contact. The thermometer will vibrate when the reading is complete, typically within 2 seconds. Your temperature will display on the device and automatically sync to the HealthMate app, providing a clear history. To maintain accuracy, clean the thermometer's sensor with an alcohol wipe after each use. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 2 AAA batteries to ensure continuous operation. For optimal performance, store your thermometer in a cool, dry place. Remember to check the description for a link to the latest e-reader and other great deals. Keeping your device well maintained ensures reliable temperature tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.